Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is 27 to the power of x is equal to 343 to the power of y, and to find the value of x plus y over x minus y. In the first step, in here, we have 27 to the power of x, and we can write this 27 as 3 to the power of 3 to the power of x is equal to 343, and we can write this as 7 to the power of 3 and to the power of y. From exponential rule, if we have a to the power of m to the power of n, we can write this as a to the power of n to the power of m. So, in here, we can write this as 3 to the power of x to the power of 3 is equal to 7 to the power of y to the power of 3. And next step, we raise both sides of this equation to the power of 1 over 3. So it will be these to the power of 1 over 3, these 3 will cancel, and it will be 3 to the power of x, and this to the power of 1 over 3, this 3 will cancel, and it will be 7 to the power of y. And next step, we raise both sides of the equation to the power of 1 over y. So this to the power of 1 over y, and this to the power of 1 over y. And it will be, in here, from exponential rule, a to the power of m to the power of n, we can write this as a to the power of m times n. So, we can write this as 3 to the power of x over y, and is equal to, and this y will cancel this, and it will be 7. And next step, we apply log to both sides of this equation, log of 3. So, it will be log of 3 to the power of x over y to base 3 is equal to log of 7 to base 3, right? We apply log of base 3 to both sides of this equation. So, from log rules, if we have log of a to the power of m to base c, we can write this as m times log of a to base c. And in here, we can write this as x over y times log of 3 to base 3 is equal to log of 7 to base 3. Log of 3 to base 3 is 1, and in here, it will be x over y is equal to log of 7 to base 3. And next step, we multiply both sides of the equation by y. So this times y, it will be x is equal to this times y, it will be y times log of 7 to base 3. And we let this as equation 1. Our problem was x plus y over x minus y. So we write here x plus y over x minus y. And from equation 1, x is y times log of 7 to base 3. So we write y times log of 7 to base 3 and plus y, and for denominator, x is y times log of 7 to base 3 minus y, and y is common, so we factor y. For numerator, we have log of 7 to base 3 plus 1, and for denominator, we have y times log of 7 to base 3 minus 1. And this y will cancel this, and it will be log of 7 to base 3 log of 7 to base 3 plus 1. And we can write this one as log of 3 to base 3, right? Log of 3 to base 3 is 1. And for denominator, we can write log of 7 to base 3 minus 1. And we write 1 as log of 3 to base 3. From log rules, if we have log of a to base c plus log of b to base c, we can write this as log of a times b, ab to base c. So, and if we have log of a to base c minus log of b to base c, we can write this as log of a over b to base c. So, in here, we have log of 7 to base 3 plus log of 3 to base 3. So we can write this from this formula, we can write this as log of 7 times 3, and 7 times 3 is 21 to base 3, right? And in here, we have log of 7 to base 3 minus log of 3 to base 3, and from this formula, we can write this as log of 7 over 3 to base 3. And in next step, from log rules, if we have log of a to base c over log of b to base c, we can write this as log of a to base b. So, in here, we can write this as log of 21 to base 7 over 3. Base 7 over 3. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.